Now, the practical exercise for this level is, it consists of 3 parts. In the first part, you're going to make a list of the 10 skills that you are going to need to learn and master in order to reach and accomplish your 50-year billionaire goal. So write down on paper, on your computer, or on your phone, the 10 skills that you are going to need to master and learn in order to hit your 50-year billionaire goal. That's 1. And then number 2, I want you to actually set your 1-year billionaire goal, which is gonna include 1, actually learning those 10 skills. You'll make some progress on that. That's the first part of your 1-year billionaire goal, is you need to start learning those 10 skills right away. The second part is making some money right away. Now, you might not necessarily like make a million or a billion over that 1 year, this next 1 year. Although if you can, that'd be great, right? But you gotta start making some money some way. So like, you might be in a place where you're starting from absolute zero, like I did when I started out in my entrepreneurial journey. Like I mentioned earlier on in the courses, I found myself laid off from a great job, and so I didn't have the skills. So I started learning the skills, but at the same time, I had to make a little bit of money. I couldn't make money doing a billionaire type things because I didn't have those skills. I had to just look at like, what do I know right now? Am I a good cook? Can I cook at McDonald's? Can I go polish people's shoes? Can I write software? Can I consult in accounting and finance? So you gotta just start making some money right away. And you might have a skill that's already lucrative where you can make some good amount of money, $300,000 a year, $1 million a year, or whatever. Or you might be able to make just 50K or 30K for the year. That's completely fine. Like, as long as the first part of your 1-year goal is actually learning those 10 skills that are gonna let you accomplish your 50-year billionaire goal. Why? Because when you have the skills, that's when the money is gonna come. Because like I said before, knowledge precedes net worth. It's totally okay to make nothing your first year, as long as you've learned the 10 billionaire skills that are gonna help you to actually accomplish your 50-year billionaire goal. Why? Because in years 2 to 50, you're gonna make so much money that it's not gonna matter that you didn't make nothing your first year. A lot of the people that are tycoons and titans, in their first year of business, they made virtually zero, like no money, because they were either building some product, building some organization, interning for some other billionaire, or interning for some other great company, unpaid some of the time. So don't stress if you're not gonna make too much money your first year. That's completely okay. But set it that you're gonna learn the 10 billionaire skills. What are your most critical 10 skills that you've identified that are gonna help you to accomplish that 50-year billionaire goal? So that's the first part of your goal for this 1 year, is actually to learn those skills. The second part is making some money. However you can make money. Maybe it's doing what you're doing right now. You can come up with some other new ideas for ways you can make some money this year. That's completely fine. You might be able to make $1 million, 10,000, 50,000, maybe even 500 million. And then the other part is also just realizing that knowledge precedes net worth. So I want you to make a firm commitment to putting in time over this 1 year to actually learn all the skills that are going to help you reach your 50-year billionaire goal.